मैले देखेँ, I see, I see. म एक्लै छु, I am single, I am single. मलाई त्यस्तै लाग्छ, I think so, I think so. मलाई घर छोड्नुहोस्, drop me home, drop me home. मलाई निन्द्रा लाग्दैछ, I am getting sleepy, I am getting sleepy. मलाई थाहा छैन, I don't know, I don't know. मलाई नुहाउन देऊ, let me take bath, let me take bath. मैले छोडेँ, I quit, I quit. म हराएँ, I am lost, I am lost. म घरमा छु, I am home, I am home. के मैले तपाईलाई सही बुझेँ? Did I get you right? Did I get you right? यसलाई मनमा नलिनुहोस्, don't take it to heart, don't take it to heart. म अस्वीकार गर्छु, I decline, I decline. म समस्यामा छु, I am in trouble, I am in trouble. कति, how much, how much. कतिवटा, how many, how many. धेरै पछि, so long, so long. तपाईँ पहिले, you first, you first. आफ्नो भाषामा ध्यान दिनुहोस्, mind your language, mind your language. भाग्यले साथ दियोस्, good luck, good luck. यसलाई बिर्सिनुहोस्, forget it, forget it. मसँग गडबड नगर्नुहोस्, don't mess with me, don't mess with me. दायाँ बायाँ हेर्नुहोस्, watch out, watch out. चिन्ता नलिऊ, never mind, never mind. उसलाई भेट्नुहोस्, see him off, see him off. हामीसँगै बस, stay with us, stay with us. हामीसँगै आऊ, come with us, come with us. ऊ कहाँ छ, where is he, where is he. कोही आएन, nobody came, nobody came. म सुत्न सक्दिन, I can't sleep, I can't sleep. म उपस्थित हुनेछु, I will attend, I will attend. म जानेछु, I will go, I will go. म आउनेछु, I will come, I will come. अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई लाइक, फलो, शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला।